Assalamu alaikum friends, assalamu alaikum viewers, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you are happy and well. So in today's video friends, I appreciate you beautiful button craft ideas I will share you. So I hope friends you enjoy my videos. So let's start today's video friends. Friends, first I use take colorful buttons. Now choose piece, paper, cardboard or cloth. Place button in any designs, like you can make flowers, animals or shape. Glue them carefully and your craft is ready. Creative idea. Buttons are not just for cloth. You can make wall art, keychains or photo frames. Mix colors and size for a unique look. Every craft will be special and fun. Handmade love. Handmade button crafts are full of love. Each button shows your creative and care. Simple ideas can look very beautiful. And friends, viewers, handmade love. Handmade button crafts are full of love. Each button shows your creative and care. Simple designs can look very beautiful. And friends, gift button crafts make perfect gifts. You can give a photo frame or a card. It is simple but meaningful. Everyone will love it. I hope friends you like my videos. So please subscribe to my YouTube channel, press the bell icon for more latest updates, viewers. So Allah Hafiz, see you in the next video friends. Khuda Hafiz, take care. Allah Hafiz.